Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today is a box swap and I'm excited. It is with Lightning Lass, aka Michelle, aka one of my favourite people ever. We have been friends on YouTube for nearly 3 years, which is just crazy because it's gone really fast, and we started our channels at the same time. And along with Claire, Diary of a Beauty Geek, who is also doing a box swap, her one hasn't arrived yet, but Michelle's has, so I wanted to film it now because I'm excited and I'm not patient, I want to open it now. So we did it last year, possibly the year before as well, can't remember. No, last year definitely, where we have a budget of £20 and I buy them a present each and they buy us presents, so we each get 2 presents. So my parcel from Michelle has arrived, and I'm really excited to open it. So I'm just gonna get in, and if you aren't already subscribed to Michelle, you need to go over and see her because she's amazing. She is Scottish and she lives in Wales, and I have met her in real life, by the way. I'm not just like, I don't just love her online, we have met in real life. We got very drunk together last year, which was super fun, and hopefully we can do it again next year. But she does makeup and unboxings and she's just wonderful. She's got 2 little boys and a lovely husband, and I just love her to bits. So, oh my gosh, yeah. What is going on? I can't open it. Oh my goodness. Okay, I've opened it. I'm gonna open this one first. So To Lucy, Merry Christmas from Michelle. I got the brief wrong because I thought we were doing like a makeup swap. So I just got makeup. But then I realised when we on our WhatsApp group, because we chat all the time, we've got a WhatsApp group, the 3 of us, that it was other stuff as well. So then I went and got more stuff and added it. But this is here. Oh, it's a mug, it's a mug, it's a mug, it's a mug, it's a mug. Oh, I love it. A microwave mug cake. Look. And it's got the ingredients and the recipe on how to make a microwave mug cake. I love mugs. I have a lot of mugs and I love them. Thank you. I've never seen one of these before. Obviously I've seen a mug before. I've never seen a mug cake mug before. That's lovely. Thanks, Michelle. I'm gonna make it now. Have I got everything for it? Flour, sugar, cocoa powder, egg, milk, oil, chocolate chips. Yes, I do. I'll be making this later. And next up is this. So pretty. So pretty. I started to wrap all of the presents individually, and they had 13 presents each in their boxes, and I regretted it instantly because I hate wrapping presents. I absolutely hate it. So if you see their videos and you're like, oh my god, that wrapping is like a 5-year-old's done it, it's because I hate wrapping stuff, and I got bored after wrapping one, and then I was just like, because I just don't like wrapping. I'm awful at it. Oh, but Michelle is good at it, look. There's a little card. It says, To Lucy, Merry Christmas. I hope you like your Christmas box. I ordered from a new company which I hadn't heard of before, and they're a wee bit sweary. Well, one item I ordered had a phrase. I asked for a certain one but got another. Well, it sounds a bit rude. You'll see when you open it. The other swears were totally intentional. Haha, enjoy. Love to you all, from Michelle. Oh my goodness. Look, there's loads of little presents. I'm excited. Okay, I'm gonna do this one first. I also have no patience when it comes to unwrapping things, so I'm just gonna cut it. I've also got pizzas in the oven, so I need to make sure I don't burn them because Ben will be very angry if I burn pizza. What is this? I love this wrapping paper, Michelle. This clear stuff is beautiful. So pretty. Isn't it? Like little snowflakes. It's gorgeous. I just used a wrapping paper that I had from the kids. What is this? Michelle, does this say Urban Decay on it? You naughty sausage. Look, it's Urban Decay. It's all night setting spray. You naughty. I love a setting spray. Bloody love a setting spray. Ooh. I'm going to makeup on. I don't know why I'm doing this, but I want to spray it. Oh, I love a setting spray. Thank you. She's so naughty. She's so naughty. Okay. Let's get this one. Good face. Good face. Oh, this smells lovely. What are you? Oh, Christmas spice. It's a little candle. Get out. Get out. Oh, that's so nice. That smells amazing. Christmas spice candle. I love me a candle. I've got a lot of candles. I'm a big fan. Ben's like, do you need this many candles? I'm like, yes I do. Mind your own business. Okay. Next one. I love it. Ben always laughs at me because he's like, why do you get so excited? I'm like, well, because it's like Christmas, but early. What is this? Oh my gosh, that's so cute. It's bath bombs, coconut bath bombs. It's a snowman. Look at that. That is so freaking cute. I love it. That's really happy hula days. That is really cute. I love that. Thank you, Michelle. The candy cane. What are you? What are you? Oh, Body Shop. Oh, this is really cute. Almond milk and honey treats. And it's got a shower cream and a body butter. That's really cute, look. So you got a body butter on here and then a little shower cream here. I absolutely love honey and almond. Yummy. I need to smell it. I'm just gonna whip it because I've got no patience. I wanna smell it. Oh, that smells amazing. I'm totally using that tonight. I'm not waiting till Christmas. I'm not even sure if I'm meant to be filming this yet, if we're meant to be waiting for Christmas, but I'm just, yeah. Whoops. It happened. It's a pen and it says, why don't you slip into something more comfortable, like a coma? I love it. She knows what I'm like. She knows my sense of humour. And then the last thing here feels like a book. It is. Profanity at its finest. We hope you are very fucking happy with your Amazeballs order. It's a book. I think it's a diary or something. Let's have a look. It's a notebook. It says, does anyone else go blank when they have to spell something phonetically over the phone? This is literally me. I don't know if I've told Michelle, I do this all the time. When I have to spell something on the phone and Ben's listening to me, he just sits and pisses himself because I'm like, B is for bollocks. C is for Charlie, U is for uniform, N is for nipple dick, T is for twat, F is for fadge, A is for asshole, C is for cockwomble, E is for everyone is a cunt. Literally one of the best things I've ever had. Thank you, Michelle. Oh my god, I love it. I was like, I'd want to frame that. I'm gonna show it to Ben because he will be like, this is you. I do feel really bad for people on the phone when I try and spell things. Am I the only one that does it? I can't be the only one that does it. Someone does it because they made a book about it. Oh my god, I love it. Thank you so much. That's amazing. That's proper tickled me. Oh my goodness. That has proper tickled me. Thank you so much, Michelle. You are amazing. This is you, Michelle. You are fucking awesome. You know it. We all know Michelle is fucking awesome. I am going over to this people today because they are. It's called mrsbeautifullymade.com because that just sounds amazing. It says, raise also order, please head over to our Facebook page and leave a cheeky review on our pinned happy customer post. You will be entered into the monthly prize draw to win even more sweary goodies. If for any reason you are not entirely satisfied, please email us and a member of our team will be more than happy to assist you further. Have a wonderful day, fuckface. Now, I make sweary cards. I feel like I should do this. I should put this, something like this, in a card when I do my orders, because that is hilarious. I love it. Absolutely love it. Thank you so much, Michelle. This is amazing. I really hope you like your box. When Michelle and Claire open their respective boxes, I will link all the videos down below for you guys. But yeah, thank you so much, Michelle. I love it. Love, 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 love it. That is like genuinely one of my favourite things I've ever had bought for me. It's amazing. Yeah, I'm gonna go because my pizza is ready. But thanks so much for watching. If you like these videos, please do give this one a thumbs up. Definitely go over and subscribe to Michelle and Claire's channels, because they are incredible women and I'm very, very lucky to have them as my friends. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye guys.